Yep. And open the game. And then I'm gonna look at your shiz. What's going on? Fuck you doing? 3, 2, 1.
So, damn it. Middle of fucking pouring a drink. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yep. Alright, game's open. That's good. Looking at your shiz for a second.
So basically what I'm working on right now is rather than having all of the code be in one script, which was just this one, there's very little in it now. I split all of its main components into their own scripts. So that way it can work together synchronously easier without one script being referenced constantly. So now this is the like the main game controller.
Okay.
So it uses all the other scripts and their
Yeah.
functions and whatnot.
Yeah, so the main one just kind of uses the other bullshit that you have added there.
Yeah, exactly. So it's
Yeah,
like, yeah, little better on that. So now I'm just kind of
Okay,
translating everything
okay.
into that, and then
Yeah,
also
whereas the one before
documenting.
it was all on one log, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. It
yeah,
was like
okay. Yeah.
huge.
Yeah.
This should help provide shortcuts so that instead of having to look through many lines of code, it can like quickly jump to where it needs to go, do what it does, jump back, all that stuff.
Hmm.
And then on the side here, I have a sort of cheat sheet of functions and whatnot. That way I can keep track of what does what needs what, and where I am. Also with a little checklist style, so when it's like set up properly, I can check it off and be like, okay, I'm done with that for a bit. That type of thing. Those ones should. Those two aren't done yet, so that's okay. So yeah, and then once I'm done with that, then I gotta jump back into the game and then reassign all the buttons and labels so that they're proper.
Oh, so nothing works yet again?
Yeah, well, ever since I
Fuck.
switched to Unity, nothing it hasn't been like a workable state, but visually, it's definitely a lot further along already.
Oh, for fuck's sakes, Twitch. You fucked it up. Twitch fucked it up. Twitch.
Excuse me.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
But it's good because these are like good practices to get into. So now I'm learning uh, like how to use namespaces. So already I was just using Unity's namespaces and all that.
Right.
So now I can actually like make a script, call it a namespace, and then in another script be like using that namespace. I can use its classes and variables and whatnot, and then fucking move stuff around a lot easier. Otherwise, I'm like calling stuff and getting components, blah blah blah. And that's unnecessary. I just need like words and numbers.
So how long is it gonna take you to get back to where you were?
Not too long, honestly. Once I have this stuff all translated, which shouldn't take that long, I'm gonna work on the battle system again, get that functional, and then I'll also need the level up screen. Other than that, everything else should be in place and then functional by that point. So I should definitely have like something playable. I don't know if I'll have it savable quite yet.
Yeah, yeah. But you'll have
definitely
a
playable.
functioning thing. Yeah.
by like hopefully the end of tomorrow.
Hmm.
As long as this stuff doesn't throw too many fucking errors. But that's the whole point with translating this stuff as well, is that I can upgrade little bits at a time, and then if it throws an error, then I know where to look and how to fix it immediately instead of fucking going back and forth constantly looking at shit
Yeah. What's going on?
and writing stuff out will be a lot easier instead of having to like search for shit constantly.
Something not right? What's not right here? Saying something's
Okay, battle manager.
saying something's fucked. What's fucked? I don't see anything that's fucked. That's not fucked. It's not fucked. What's fucked?
Oh, right, yeah.
What is fucked? It's saying something's not right. I don't know what's not right.
Well, what do you mean?
I got a thing on my train. Oh, is it this one? Oh, yeah, it's this one. Yeah, okay, I get it. Alright, yeah, makes sense. Derp.
Okay, so Battlefloat batting. They're both in classes, so that is safe. That should be good. Next.
Alright, let's get on this. Get on the train. Get on it. God damn it.
Controller.
No, you just got ran over by the train.
48.
Shit. Train's getting away, Jimmy. Come on, get on the train. God damn it.
Boost. That's part of gen stuff, which is in. Oh wait, I just wrote that, so that should be fine. What's going on here? Static class. Oh, if that's static, these probably have to be static too. It's one thing I was having a hard time understanding.
I'm the one.
Let's see if that clears the air. Yup. On to the next.
And then I grabbed my shovel.
Namespace. This has to be the class. So. Can I just call it UI? Or will that conflict with... Because Unity Engine has UI, so I don't know if... Well, they're in different namespaces, so it should be fine. And they're static.
I'm the one. You keep mentioning static, so I'm gonna fucking throw in some fucking static.
I didn't even connect the dots there. That was fine. Okay. If this works, that would mean that update UI dot
I
UI
even said,
dot current
and then I
UI
grabbed
would
my
mean
shovel.
the current screen. But like the game object of interesting. And I can't even call it like GUI instead for game user interface because that's also graphic user interface. Fuck. Could do WUI for world user interface. Just to make sure it's different.
Oh shit, yeah, we gotta slow down, eh, Jimmy? Yeah. Slow it down just a little bit there, eh, bud? Yeah. Whoa!
UI makes that clear out all this.
Oh, well, that's a little bit embarrassing. Quick correction. We're good. Passengers are probably like, why the fuck did we just stop? Yeah. Stopped for just a second, and I jolted them forward really hard. My passenger service should just be called like enter at your own risk. In my fucking policy, I hold no liability if people get hurt. uh. A little too far, but too fucking bad. Does it look like I give a shit about traffic? So what's going on over here? Where am I? What's going on over here? Alright, we're gonna go pick up that car. Oh, is that motherfucking car in my way? I swear to God. Goddamn engineer. Shit. No, we're good, okay. We're good. There's only one person to blame if shit gets fucked up.
Me.
That's right. We blame Zero.
Yep.
He came over here and flicked all the switches for like no reason.
I did it from here.
I think Steam can actually like let you do that if I allow it.
Yeah.
Can it?
If the game allows like certain codexes through text inputs, then yeah, you could absolutely put code through that. Like, I wonder how Bitburner has survived. Then again, being a game about coding, I'm sure they have all the fail-safes.
Oh, sure, yeah. I mean, yeah, they just designed it just as a game, right? So,
Yeah, exactly.
kind of fuck around.
Well, I mean, when the game's literally all, it looks like Terminal, essentially.
Yeah.
Like, then all of the work is just put into the coding. So then, yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. It's almost like fucking, what's that one game called? It's like NetHack. If you've ever played that.
I'm not sure. I don't think
It's
so.
like old school DOS style. They've had a newer version that has a little more graphics to it. But it's like Dungeons and Dragons, but like the Dark Souls of Dungeons and Dragons. It's hard as
Okay.
fuck. But it's all like DOS code. Yeah. The newer versions actually
Yeah, I
have
don't think
like
I've seen
visual
that.
representation, but it's still very basic.
Okay, we're gonna have
so
to flick this switch up here. Back in and grab that son bitch.
14.
And it's just one car, so I'm sure we can handle ripping a empty car around.
Oh, I don't even need this anymore. Don't need to grab a main script when it's a namespace now, hopefully.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get it anyway because the brake is on.
Location manager 8. Yeah, void and update. No use in direct namespaces. Whoops. No, it's fine.
Actually, we technically don't have to get off this track. We can just... Fuck it.
Location manager dot manages location data and functions. Add that to the list. Excuse me.
Fuck yeah. crossing the fucking road. Get the grannies out of here. Very nice, very nice.
Wait, what?
Push this all the way back into the yard. Maybe even throw this engine into the engine shed as well, because might be done with it. Whoa, that switch is wrong. People could have died.
That's
Mainly,
not good.
mainly just me.
Well, that's not good either. But then again, you also can't count that as people. If it's just you, then it's a person.
I identify
goodbye.
as people.
I think I win the election because I think I identify as 20 billion people. So I win. Next issue. With I as king, I say that.
Bullshit. I think that's wrong. We figured it out. You got it wrong. It's
Me?
all wrong. Yeah.
Oh man, I fucking hope not.
Oh shit, we need this. No, we don't. Nope, that switch. Holy fuck. We're like really not on the ball today. Come on. Like,
What are you doing?
we're almost having like catastrophic failure. And we're like just narrowly avoiding it every time. We're professionals. We're professionals. We got this.
I'm fine with setting these as specifically for the player class. Update player dot.
Thank you for the $65. Yeah. Can you just do what I fucking just do what? God damn it! Do what I tell you to do, or I'm gonna kick your ass.
Dude.
God damn it! Well, it wasn't fucking listening, and I was gonna do it, man.
Oh my god.
It almost escalated, where I was gonna kick a fucking 96-ton fucking locomotive. No, that's the wrong way, dingus. Put it in reverse. Stupid.
Oh yeah, derp.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Fixed it. Hopefully.
Want to go backwards and you put it in the forward, dummy.
What's going on? Oh. What? What did I do?
At least all the trains will get a good fixing. Alright, slow her down. We don't want to hit the other one. Nice and easy. Whoa. Let's go back just a little bit more. Let's piss off the fucking people who fix the train so that they can just barely get through. Hey, that works out fucking fantastic. Alright. And look at that. Our train is ready to go.
Which means this needs to be question mark. Private? Nope. So maybe this is public. But needs to be static. Yep, next problem.
Yep. Next problem.
You gotta like that when you make a change and it's like, okay, there's another problem over here. It's like, okay, so I must have solved the first one then, I guess.
Just fix one problem, 3 others arise.
Yeah, well, it's just the fact of like, I figured out what the new like coding syntax should be, so I translated a bunch of stuff, and now I gotta tweak it slightly.
Yeah, yeah.
So once there's no more problems, then I can start working through the buttons and like back through the game flow, and then do the battle system, and then we're good.
Okay.
Like everything's pretty much already lined up. Then it's just building it, and then working on the actual travel system again, generation system, items and equipment.
My goodness.
Yeah, there's a few things, but
Everything all over again.
not exactly, but somewhat, because it's like a new interface, so it makes it easier, but also different. So I just got to figure it out real quick. But now I know how the coding works, so it's not that hard.
Yep, moving a passenger train back and forth. Yeah.
Yeah, the development build I send you will probably be, you'll be able to do all the usual stuff in the spawn town, but that's pretty much it. Should be able to fight, level up, buy stats, heal in the place or whatever. And that's very much it. And like open the screens, but there's not going to be anything in the screens.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I also, this morning, found out that there's like a different renderer. So that was the first thing that kind of instigated the whole thing, transferring that over. The renderer part was easy, but then I realized modules would make things way better, because it was getting annoying figuring out longer code. But yeah, with the new renderer, it should theoretically work in pretty much any device. Yeah, so like whatsoever.
Not bad.
That also clued me into why games do that fucking stupid thing where it's like, oh, the game updated. And then you go into the game and there's big fucking like pink nasty shit everywhere. Like the
Yeah.
big texture defects.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like, oh, okay, so that's why that happens.
Yeah, so you want to help me fix my game with that?
I can't.
Wow.
It's literally a mismatch between drivers and the way they update and renderers and the way they update. Like drivers are constantly trying to render better and better, and renderers are trying to deal with every single driver doing that. So it's like there really should have been some sort of like industry standard to like build off of a single root point.
Industry standard.
Right? It's hilarious. But it gets to the point where like if you know how to code enough, you could probably write your own like video and audio codecs.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, exactly. But then again, when you do that and then you pass it off to someone else and they have completely different hardware, it's very, very common for people to be like, yeah, no, it's fucked. Okay, so where am I? UI 15.
Alright,
Can't do
awfully fucking low.
private directly. That's probably. And just make it public. Probably fine. In the development process, I'm not too worried about data security because it's like I'm not sharing it with the world.
Yeah.
But I have figured out that when I do want to do that, I can just do that through a certain area of the game, like through the getters and setters, rather than putting security on every single fucking button in the game and whatnot. Player manager. So on to the next. Going from one script to the next. I like when it's like, oh, there's no more errors in that script. It's like, cool. There's only 7 scripts in total, so is good. Which line? 65. Public forward. That is outside of player, I think. No. Instance members in a static class. What does it do? Add stab. So this would be written out as player manager dot player dot add stat points blank, or with the stuff, add points player. Oh no, this is, well, yeah, add stat points is unassigned points, so that's okay. I just gotta remember that.
Back.
I'm trying to be a little more clear with my my variable names as well, because I try to be like shorthand with it, but then I realize in the long term I go back and I'm like, I mean, I get it, but it takes me a second to remember. Okay, so dot add stat points player.
All right.
This needs to reference the other thing, so that's player manager dot player.
Get an outside view, why not?
And player manager needs to make sure that it's declared up here, which it is not, because it is it. It is the one. That's the one we're on. Fuck. So it should be fine. What the fuck? Unassigned points. Where is that? Unassigned stats. It is unassigned stats. What the fuck is the problem? Instance members in a static class. Okay, so public static class play.
Just a second here, we'll be able to just drop the throttle. It's all downhill from here. And out there.
65.
Just let gravity take us down.
Private void, not public void. I only need public if I want to add that in from the editor, essentially. Usually, that's like a good go-to way to remember it. Which means these will likely need... Wait, I'm not going to do that for a second. I'm going to check to see if I try to go back to it, if it'll say there's an error on line 72. And if there is, then I'm right on that. I don't know if I saved. Did I save this? Yeah. 65, that's count of various members. No, I think it is here.
Oh yeah.
Is it just void? Okay, going back to public on that. And then
Hit the
figuring
fucking
out
bell.
this shit. Oh. Wait, no, it is player manager. Durbin. Fuck. What am I missing here? Declare instance members.
Okay. Coming in pretty quickly. I'm hoping this turn slows us down, which it should. There's a road coming up. Everything's good back there. Yep. Correct. racing. Kill the throttle just as we touch the corner here. And coast in. Engine service repairs already completed. Awesome. Hang on. I think I literally bought that train today, so, well, no kidding, it only took a fucking couple minutes to repair. Alright. We're moving pretty quickly. It won't take us much to slow down. Coming up on the station nicely. Just like that. Bam. Alright. There's not enough people here. So we're gonna wait for these people to get on, and then we're gonna fast forward time. I wanna see the connection of this, actually. Where is it? Oh, it's this rope. Alright, we will put it like that. At least the brake on it. Actually, we'll apply a little bit of brake. Alright, hurry up and get off my train.
That doesn't seem right. No. I don't think so. Something's wrong here.
Alright. Now that they're off the train, get on the train. Nice, we got $2,000. Think we're gonna get this pretty soon. It's gonna cost $1,200. Maybe we should get it now. That way it's full and we can bring it. Do the switcheroo. Might be a good idea. Think it's a good idea?
No.
I think it's a good idea. It's probably a good idea. I'm doing it. I'm also gonna fast forward time. Just an hour. Because I need more people.
Got it. Yeah.
Alright, we'll take the brake off. We're gonna pack a bowl. Oh, okay, yeah. And that's ready to go, so we're gonna get it on its way. Just hang out here on the back. just enjoy the ride. I think I gotta check something quick. Yeah, we are stopping. Okay. Alright, this should be okay for a minute. Pack a bowl, Billy, if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, he's right there. Can you hear me? Goddamn.
Okay.
Fabio. You there?
Yep.
Pack a bowl yet?
Nope.
Well, do that, eh?
Well, I ain't working on it now.
Oh.
Didn't hear that because I took a piss.
Yeah. I, I didn't know how long you were. I thought you were coming back because I heard some rustling, so I was like, ah, fuck, I gotta run real quick anyway, so.
3, 2.
1. Losing a bit of speed. I don't remember seeing that before. Interesting. Just hanging out, smoking a bowl on the caboose. Ah, yeah. sit up in the caboose. Up in the coos, bat. Hit it. Okay, drop the throttle a little bit. I think we're going downhill. I actually have to get down just to be safe. We are operating a train, so. Might need to slow it down a bit. No, we're slowing down a bit. Very nice. Just about to cross the bridge. What?
Huh?
Huh? Wow. Nice and easy. Just coast. Flickering hearts. Okay. Yeah. 6? How about fuck you? You're gonna have to give me more than that. We're just simply not going unless we have a full fucking drain. Fuck you. What? Fucking 8? Like, are you high? Like, fuck you. How about I'm gonna wait another fucking hour? Really? 1? Holy fuck. Holy. Holy. You prick jobs. Fucking angry whistle. Fucking get her going then. It's fucking 2 o'clock. Not even a full fucking train. Your train station sucks. Hey. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you pass me one? Oh yeah. There's your crap going along. What the crap are you doing? Huh? What crap are you doing?
Me?
No. 0.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, what the fuck you doing?
Trying to figure out why it's saying this thing at the bottom now.
Great. Are we fucking there yet? No, one more fucking turn. Fuck.
Let's see.
we're gonna fill this thing up too with coal and water, cause she's getting kind of low. Look, I guess it was 2 more turns, but certain this shit needs to get oiled up too, fuck. Coming in a bit slow. Okay. And just like that. Make sure people don't get on. Wait for all these peeps to get off. Why would this be cut? Alright.
Okay, so that should theoretically be all open.
There we go. Let's go fill this thing up with fuel. that one. Just down the way. Probably good. That's it, full? Almost. Gonna have to start slowing it down. Very nice. And right there. Alright, let's oil up all this shit because it's all fucked up. Ready to rock. Alright. Fill it up with coal. That thing's probably... that's not bad. Alright, we gotta get that car. That's our new one. And we gotta set its operations. Go here, and we'll put that there. Should be set. Complete? Yeah, it's complete. Yeah, alright. Cool, so that's gonna fill up tomorrow. Well, I think I'm gonna get this up to where it's gotta go, load it, and I think that's gonna be it for me.
Alright.
Come on. That's not full, man. Fill it up. That's not full. Fill it up. Thank you, stupid. Fucking guy was trying to chintz me. Alright. We'll probably do some more moving trains tomorrow. See what's going on. Depends when I get back. Fuck. You gonna be doing this till fucking 3 in the morning?
I don't know.
Okay, probably can kill it here. Alright, slow her down. Okay, fucking stop. Great job. Alright. Let that start filling up. Fill up. Thank you. That's not going to be enough passengers, so we're going to have to wait an hour. Which is bullshit! Come on! There's only a certain amount of trains that go a day. Figure it out. Boom. There's enough. I'll save it once we're full. Alright. So that is gonna be it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see what's going on tomorrow.
Sounds cool.
Alright, until next time.
Till next time.